Alright, John Deere X300. It's a 2014. And I was having trouble starting it. And I figured out that I had to jiggle the brake pedal right there. And then kind of go back and forth with the key turned. And then it would finally catch. And as you can see, this thing is not a little sticky. And it was mounted on this tab right here with rivets, which I just cut out. So there you can see the brake arm, and it sat like this. And then as you push the pedal, it would depress that switch. And close the circuit or open it, whichever way. So I got a new one on order for I think like 15 bucks, and it'll be here tomorrow. That should fix my starting issues. My battery was bad, so I put an AGM one in there, 350 cold cranking amps, and we'll go from there. All right.